What's up, riders? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of Yamaha's most exciting naked bikes of 2025, the Yamaha MT-09. Yamaha's master of torque just got better, and I'm here to tell you all about it. First up, let's talk power. The MT-09 is powered by Yamaha's revised 889cc CP3 engine, delivering a beastly, insert updated horsepower and torque. This three-cylinder engine is known for its strong mid-range punch, perfect for urban riding or carving up twisty back roads. The 2025 model comes equipped with Yamaha's cutting-edge electronics package. You've got multiple ride modes, a 6-axis EMU, lean-sensitive ABS, traction control, and even slide control. Whether you're commuting or pushing the limits on the track, the MT-09 has got you covered. And check out this updated full-color TFT display. It's sharper, more responsive, and connects seamlessly to Yamaha's Y-Connect app, keeping you connected on the go. Visually, Yamaha nailed it once again. The MT-09's aggressive design is sharper and more futuristic. With its signature dual LED headlights and aggressive lines, it looks fast, even when it's standing still. Handling is where the MT-09 shines. Thanks to its lightweight aluminum frame and fully adjustable suspension, this bike feels agile and planted, no matter how tight the corner gets. So, who's this bike for? If you're looking for a naked bike that offers the perfect blend of performance, tech, and style, the 2025 Yamaha MT-09 is hard to beat. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just getting started, this bike has something for everyone. Alright. That's a wrap on today's video. If you enjoyed the breakdown of the 2025 Yamaha MT-09, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth bike reviews and riding content. Drop a comment below if you'd take this beast for a ride, and let me know what bike you want me to feature next.